You know, radio, it's been the soundtrack to our car rides, our kitchens, our lives for what, over 100 years now? But behind that familiar voice on your AM/FM dial, there's a quiet revolution happening, and it's all powered by AI. Today, we're going to peek behind the curtain and see how this tech is completely redrawing the map for the airwaves.
When you think of a radio station, you probably picture something kind of like this, right? A DJ, headphones clamped on, maybe a little bit chaotic, surrounded by vinyl, tapes, CDs, their hands flying across a big mixing board. It's a world built on pure personality, and that human touch. Okay, but here's the thing. In a whole lot of radio stations today, that entire operation, from picking the next song to giving you the weather update, isn't being run by a person in that room. It's being handled by a smart algorithm, maybe one that's hosted on a server hundreds of miles away. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and it is changing absolutely everything.
So let's dive into it. Let's pull back the curtain on this pretty massive high-tech transformation. We're going to look at exactly how artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules for a medium we thought we knew so well.
Now, this change didn't just happen overnight. Radio's journey started, of course, way back in the analog era. All manual, all hands-on. Then, boom, the 90s hit and we got digital files and some pretty basic automation. The 2010s moved a lot of that into the cloud. And now? Well, now we're smack in the middle of a full-blown AI revolution, where machine learning is basically the captain of the ship.
So how in the world does this all work? Well, at the very core of any modern radio station is something you can think of as its central nervous system. It's like an automated broadcast brain that runs the whole show.
The technical term for it is a broadcast automation system. And believe me, this is way more than just a glorified music player. Think of it more like the ultimate conductor of an orchestra, perfectly timing every single sound you hear, every song, every commercial, every station ID, all down to the millisecond.
And right now, radio stations have a really big decision to make. Do they go with an on-premises system, keep all the hardware and servers right there at the station? That gives them total physical control, but it costs a ton up front. Or do they go cloud-based, where everything is remote and flexible? It's that classic modern trade-off, really. Total control versus total convenience. All right, now for one of the most powerful things this tech does, something you hear every single day, creating the perfect playlist. And it's a lot more complex than just hitting the shuffle button.
See, the AI's analysis of music is just incredibly deep. It doesn't just look at a song and say, oh, that's rock music. No. It dissects the actual audio file, analyzing hundreds of different things. The tempo, the musical key, the energy level, even something called emotional valence, which is basically a fancy way of saying, does this song sound happy or sad?
This all feeds into this really smart four-step cycle that's always running. First, the AI scans and understands every single song in the station's library. Second, it watches you, the listener. It sees what you skip, what songs make you stay tuned in. Third, it uses all that data to build playlists that change dynamically based on the time of day or even the general mood. And finally, and this is the amazing part, it learns from its own performance so that tomorrow's playlist is even better than today's. It's a constant feedback loop.
And the level of detail is just wild. To get those perfectly smooth transitions from one song to the next, AI uses tech with cool names like Magic Stitch. It literally analyzes the fade-out of one song and the intro of the next to find the perfect moment to crossfade, often matching the tempo and key so it sounds like a live DJ is in there mixing. The result? You never hear an awkward pause or a clashing transition.
But hey, it's not all about the music. This revolution is also completely changing how radio delivers information, like news and traffic, making it more immediate and more local than ever before.
Just think about this. An AI can now take a long, dense press release and instantly summarize it into a short, punchy script ready for the air. It can grab a story off a newswire and rewrite it to fit the specific tone and style of that station. And maybe most useful of all, it can provide automated weather and traffic reports around the clock, 24/7, something that would be almost impossible for a purely human-run station to do.
So here's how that whole workflow goes down. First, the AI scans a bunch of different news sources for relevant info. Then, it uses natural language processing to actually write the script. After that, a synthetic voice, a neural text-to-speech engine, reads the news, and these voices are getting scarily realistic. Finally, the system automatically schedules that report and slots it right into the broadcast. The whole process, from start to finish, is completely automated.
And we're not talking about those old robotic computer voices. Companies like Audio AI are creating AI announcers that can deliver news, station promos, you name it, with natural-sounding inflection and emotion.
And of course, they can do it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without ever needing a coffee break.
Okay, so when you put all of these pieces together, the automated brain, the super smart playlists, the algorithmic news reports, what does all of this really mean for the future of radio?
Well, for the radio stations, the benefits are pretty obvious. They get huge efficiency gains, letting them run non-stop with much smaller teams. This, of course, reduces their costs. It also helps them deliver a super consistent, error-free product on the air. And for us, the listeners, the promise is more engaging, data-driven content that is in theory tailored much more closely to what we actually want to listen to.
So this all leads us to one last really fascinating question. It seems pretty clear that AI is on its way to mastering the science of broadcasting, the perfect timing, the data analysis, the flawless execution. But radio has always been about more than that, right? It's been about connection, about spontaneity, about human personality. So as AI gets closer and closer to perfecting the science, what happens to the human art of it all?